Going on, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ATV Country, baby. We are back, and tonight, that is right, if you guys can see, it's getting dark. We're going to be doing a night ride on the four-wheelers, that is right, and I'm super excited about it, guys. So what we're going to do is, if y'all can see, we are actually on our property, and we're going to be doing some stuff on this property. We're going to try to make more trails and stuff, but I don't think I've showed y'all. Y'all might have seen on some of the YouTube shorts or some of the YouTube videos we've done of, some of these trails that we've, ride on. But we're going to be adding some, and we're going to be doing some other things to this property as well. So I'm super excited about that, but that'll be in a different video. But tonight, we're going to do a night ride. We're going to go around on the property, and we're going to show y'all what it is. We're going to be on the GoPro, and we're going to do that. I'm going to have my sister Mia. She's going to help film as well, and we're going to get into it. So if y'all can do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into today's video. Let's get it. Let's go. I hope the GoPro is picking up this, but here we go. We are starting the trail riding now. And like I said, we'll add some music so it's not so boring for y'all, but this is the first part of our trail that we made, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I want to talk about a true story. So, this part of the woods right here, we actually came out here, and I know y'all are going to think this is crazy, but we came out here, me and my dad, with chainsaws. I'm not joking. Chainsaws. I'm not joking. With chainsaws. No, machines, any of that. And we sat here and made this trail that we're getting ready to go through. Now, bear with the ruts. It is a bunch of ruts back here. We're going to need to get those fixed sometime. But we did this all by ourselves, the two of us. We did not use any machines, like I said, all chainsaws. Let's get into it and show y'all. And this was covered with trees, by the way. Just want to make that clear. Here's another funny thing. So right here, which I think it's hard for y'all to see, let me get adjusted here. All right, so this spot right here, I don't know if it's gonna show up good on camera, but this was covered with trees. I mean, all around. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all, I got my phone out. It'll be a little bit better to see than on the GoPro. But all of this right here was full of trees. I mean, covered. And I came back here, like I said, with a yarn mower and two chainsaws, me and my dad, and we made this kind of a circle. So when you come out from there, you can make a little circle, do whatever, and then you could go straight ahead this way. There's Mia, back over there. So just wanted to show y'all this. So this is what it was. I don't know what we're planning to do this yet. I want to do something in this spot. It's just been kind of dry or whatever, kind of like whatever, but we'll figure out something. show y'all from what it looks like from being behind somebody on four-wheel now. Guys, so that's a little bit of what we were doing here to the property. Like I said, it's not much yet, but y'all got to see a little bit what it's going to look like. I know it's kind of hard to see when it's dark, but we want to do a night ride and stuff. But if y'all have any ideas for what can we do back here on the property, let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna come back here when it's daytime and you know, start working on it a little bit, and y'all can be able to kind of, you know, see what it is. But if y'all got any ideas, leave it down in the comments. You know, should we put a deer stand back here? Should we put a, you know, Nerf big trail? Should we, you know, do something? I mean, heck, put a daggum cabin back there. I don't know, you know. But anyways, just something, you know. But that's going to go ahead and end today's video and all that. If you guys like these videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And what do we say? Let's ride, baby. 1, 2, 3. Let's ride, baby.